Guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So I hope you can see me in this blue sari with jewelry and minimal makeup. I just tried to recreate Alia Bhatt's makeup look which she did in the wedding of her friends. And I just saw her, I was like so blown away that she is done this kind of a makeup and sari, a very minimalistic and simple in the wedding. So I was so inspired that I just thought of making this look someday, and today I thought why not sit and just create this look along with this plain sari which I had and the choker along with this hairstyle as well which she did. So and when we'll go ahead into the tutorial, you would get to know I had not used so much of product, and even I tried to make this as a minimal and also makeup no makeup look. So surely if you are someone who wanted to have makeup but it does not, or if you don't want it to show too much or too many layers or something, then you can surely try this look, because the products which are getting, few products even you can skip if you feel like it's too much, or maybe it is high end, or maybe not suiting you or something. But still having few products on, you can definitely create this look. This is very simple and easy, and I personally love this look. So if you wanted to know how I created this look which can be carried anywhere, let's get started. Okay, so as you know, I begin my makeup with good primer and moisturizer. So first, moving ahead with the primer, I will be using facial tonic mist from the Forest Essential. So guys, many of my friends have asked that why do we use primer, or why do we even need that. You need primer because you don't want your base to move from here and there or wherever you go. So if you're going for somewhere long or short time, if you use primer, your makeup will sit well, it will hold all together. And also people who are having acne problem or any blemish problem, if you use primer before and moisturizer before using your makeup, you won't be having any harm to your skin, because when you provide 2-3 layers of skincare, moisturizer and other stuffs, your makeup does not get inside the pores, and it just protects your skin, and even your makeup looks flawless and stays for longer time. Here you go. Next up, I have the Body Shop Vitamin E cream. This cream is really amazing. This moisturizes your face so much that I use this, and I see that 2 days my face is moisturized even if I'm not using anything. Trust me, some days when I'm really like tied up and I just sometimes maybe I just forgot to use something, and if I would have used this 2 days before, then I will still feel that even washing my face or something, this vitamin E moisturizer just works well. Now let's move on to makeup. So for my base, for my foundation today, I am using MAC foundation. This one. This is in the shade NC25. If you are someone of my shade, then or my complexion, you can surely choose this one. It's a good product. This is not only used for your face, also you can use it on your body if you feel like. And this is not really like a foundation time. I feel that it has got a little sheer texture, so that you can also use it like your moisturizer kind of a BB cream, how that gives effect. This also gives the same effect, and the coverage is also like good, if you want some. Okay, so today I am using, to blend my makeup, I am using makeup sponge. This makeup sponge is from Color Bar, and it's really affordable and very good sponge. Before using this sponge, you have to drain this sponge into a water and squeeze it well, so that all the water just gets out and your sponge looks fluffy and it is ready to use. So now I'll just take the foundation and I will just dab this in. Can you see how beautifully this works? This is my favorite sponge from Color Bar. I'll take some more. So since this is not that high coverage foundation, so we will have to take more. As I told you, this you can use it on daily basis. It's really good. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to use everything minimal and whatever has a sheer texture or like dewy or glossy, and all the products should be very less, because I have seen Alia, she is in no makeup look and absolute nothing on her face. It looks like I know she would have used many things to just get that makeup or they get that glow, but I just wanted to feel like that, and my skin just should look like there is no makeup, but yeah, makeup is on. It's done. Let's move on to concealer. For concealer today I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Again, taking it very little wherever required, not much. Don't want to cover my face too much. Okay, so with the help of concealer brush I have concealed everything. Less coverage is good for today's makeup. We will move on to eyes. So for eyes, it looks like she has got little pink or brown shade or neutral brown shade on her eyelids, little kajal. So let's see how to create that. So for eyeshadow I am using Lakme 925 eyeshadow palette. Here I have got this pinkish color, so I think this would suit. So I'm just using my finger today because I just want a little bit, not much. Just use it. Yeah, I just want to kind of blend this in, so I'll just take a buffing brush also, and a little bit I'll just blend this in. Yeah. Next up I have Wet n Wild Kohl pencil. So you can use this as your brow and also use it as your kajal. So anyways we'll have to use a little bit, so I'm just managing this in both the purpose. So just taking this in and just roughly filling my brows. Alia has got bushy eyebrows, and I have seen her few videos and seen that she just uses a minimal of the brow products, and I have also seen her using Benefit cosmetic products. For sure I'll be coming up with that video wherein I'll show you how to do makeup with Benefit cosmetics. That's really good and highly raved product. With the same pencil here, a very little, very little, so much. Okay, so for eyelashes I'll be using Little Paris mascara. This is false lash mascara which has got primer and the black mascara out here. However, today I'll be just using black mascara. This is the primer, and okay, this is the mascara. So just this would do well. I've seen that Alia is not even using false lashes, so I think this mascara is really good, which would just lift your lashes a bit. So let's use and see. As I told you before, if you wanted to look your lash a little bigger and gives it a stiff look, then just take the mascara on and just put it here, hold it and drop your eyes. Hold it here, drop your eyes. Okay, so once my mascara is dried, I'm just taking this lash curler and I will curl my eyelashes a bit, because you would have seen people using it before. However, I feel like using it after, because it even gives much effect which you are looking for. So just hold this, press it. Yeah. Press it. instantly it opens up the eyes. So for my face, I have not powdered my face today because I just thought of skipping the powder and I wanted to give my face natural glow like Alia. So I just thought of skipping the powder part and using highlighter and little bit of contouring or bronzing powder, or maybe anything cream based, so that the look even enhances. So now what I'll do, I'll use little bit of highlighter to highlight my face and get that glow. So I'm using this Body Shop highlighter. I will provide you the link of proper Body Shop highlighter in the description box because this was gifted to me by them. So I don't have it now, but I'll surely provide you. So what I'll do, I'll just take this. Again, I'll be taking my beauty sponge. Just put it here, little bit. And just, yeah. I'm just kind of fan of Body Shop highlighters. Oh god, this is so good. If you wanted to invest in one highlighter, you can surely buy this. Can you see, guys? You can also do like this, just make a C shape here, so that you get a more highlighted effect. Okay, so next up we wanted to contour our face a little bit, not much, a very soft contouring it would be like you have done but feels like not done. So I'm using Nika K Dio palette, contouring palette. So from this palette I will be just taking this shade, kind of a pinkish coral contouring shade, taking a brush to blend this in. Just here. Following your jawline. So if you do it out here, face gets a good cutting effect, and this is how the contouring is done, so that you want to give definition to your face. Body Shop highlighter which I use is got a gold tinge to it. You would have also seen me using a petal pink kind of a highlighter and also silver effect which it gives. However, this one is got gold effect, so it looks like very luminous and kind of gold. To give little pinkish effect or that glow boost, or you can say flushed cheeks, I'll be using Maybelline blush. This is Maybelline Flush Cheek Master Blush. So you can see here I have got sponge out here, and this side we have got this cream blush. So this is not kind of a powder, it is a cream blush. I'll just use it in the middle, very little guys, again very little. Sponge only, I'll just blend this in. The sponge is good. Okay guys, moving on to lipstick. For lipstick guys, I was so confused that what to choose, because when I was choosing some pink, her lips are like I don't know what she has used, seriously, if she has used a balm or lipstick or any tint or whatsoever. So I was just thinking if I should pick a nude pink color or brownish color or absolute nothing, but I was like no, she has used something, so let me check what can I use. So I was super confused, so I just thought of selecting two products. I'll show you. I have Revlon Ultra HD matte color. So one I have Revlon Ultra HD matte color. So one I have Revlon Ultra Matte H, and another I have this MAC lip balm. Yeah, so let me just see what works well and what goes well. So if you see this MAC lip balm, this is very light in shade and it's really moisturizing, you guys. This is super good. This is my favorite. So I'll just try this. This gives a little pinkish effect. So if this matches, then I won't be using that. This has got a pink shade, pinkish shade. Oh wait, I have one more. I have got this Chamber Desert Rose shade. This is also a pinkish brown color. So let me just use this little bit instead of Revlon. I think this should be fine. Okay, that's how the makeup looks like. So I've seen Alia, she's got some necklace. She's not wearing any earring. So I have got one necklace which I'll be just putting that on, and also the hairstyle. Now let's move on to hairstyle, how she has done, and let's see how it comes. Okay guys, so for hairstyle you would have noticed that Alia has got a ponytail, which is, she's got a little bit of waves in her ponytail, and from the front she's got a little bit of crown effect, wherein you know she's got few strands which are like highlighted so well that you know it is defined, and you can also see that it is giving a rough feeling of, you know, just tying her hair off and wavy effect. So I'll just try to get that. Now first I'll do to my front hair, I'll just take it in a section and kind of tease my hair. If you don't know what is teasing, that means, you know, you have to take some hair, use this kind of a brush or any brush you have, and you know, kind of just rub it off in between. I'll show you. Take the strand and you know, just put it like this, so that you know it gives you the bouncy effect. For someone who don't like so much of using those heated products like, you know, straightener, blow dryer and all of that, you can just use this technique like this. I'll just tease a little bit, even from the middle section. To secure everything, you need few bobby pin clips and this small little clutch. So I'll just get few strands out. Like so. And from here. I will tell you what we'll have to do with this. So now to make a ponytail, you have already teased your hair, so it will give you bouncy effect. I've got this rubber band to tie my hair. One is enough. Okay, so just take a little bit of middle parting here. That's how she's got. Yeah, like so. So now what we'll do, just pull a little bit, make it a little loose to give a bouncy effect. Now what she's got with this hair, what am I gonna do? I just left it. So what we'll have to do, she's got a little bit, if you would have noticed or just notice it later after seeing my video, she's got the hair like this, you know, like uniform, and you can notice. Your teasing will not help. So what I'll do, I've got this L'Oreal Paris spray. Yeah, setting spray you can say. Use it from the distance. Yeah, from distance, and you know, just I'm not just putting like this because it may go inside my eyes. From the opposite direction, just spray it little from distance. Yeah. Now just leave it. Yeah. Now can you see it has got segregated? Take this and just twist it like so. Twist it here. Yeah, so can you see? I can see a little bit here, you know. Just see, if you want you can pull this also. Yeah. So you can just use this trick if you are going somewhere, and if you wanted a look like that, you can use this trick. Now coming back, these hair which I tucked this in, I just pull inside my rubber band. Like this. Okay, so for my these ponytail, what I have done, I have just given a, you know, little wavy effect, so that you know it shouldn't look straight also, and it shouldn't look that curly also. I just given little bit of wavy effect so that you know it matches to her look. Okay, so now I have got this beautiful necklace which matches to Alia's necklace. So I'll just put this on and get back to you. So I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm sure anyone can try this look anywhere because this is really simple, and products which are used won't give you that heavy effects. Do try this look, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and thank you so much for giving me your time. Bye.